everybody, this is George25 Gaming here, and we're at where we left off. Hopefully it will work now. Hopefully. It did. Okay, so what I did is that I got a new game. We returned the old one because it didn't work, and we got a new one. So it works. Yeah, I was really determined to play this. Okay, what is that? Pigs. This is this is part 2. This is Showdown Town. Oh, okay. Okay, we can collect jiggies. What is that? It's a magical wrench, just what we need. Yeah, what does she get? Oh, what's that? Is that... Oh, that was harsh. It's a cute little cat thing, whatever. Whoa. Angry kitty. The cartoon effect is real. Hold the art and release it to drop them. Pick. Well, okay. Now release it to drop them. Pick up this Mumbo crate and take it to the skullfish gentleman right over there. It's probably Mumbo, isn't it? Whoa, I'm faster. And go over here and we drop it. Simple enough. Oh wait. Oh, you're kidding. Yep, it's Mumbo. This is harder than I expected. Yeah, that's in. Okay. Mumbo looks a lot smaller in this game. Usually bigger, like in this big throne, you know. Okay. What is that? Okay. Oh! This is like car parts. Okay. Small taxi seat. Oh. Okay, I don't know if this stuff is very helpful. I think it looks helpful. Okay, it looks good. Okay. Okay, thanks. Bring increase. Oh, okay, we're gonna make a car. Let's make a car. Okay. Lord of Game says Bear needs free build smash a vehicle match. Bear. Okay, standard wheels. Okay, I'm a little interested. Good. Oh, we can't do passenger? Okay, let's do this one. Oh, what else? Oh, we gotta put it there? Okay. Just wanted to check. Oh, it's a decoy of them. That's funny. To move, press B to return the punch. Okay. This is an easy tutorial. Okay, select fuel. Oh, yay, we did it. Okay, we can make it there anytime. Okay. You can both come. To flip over. Right way up. Oh, cool. Press Y button to get in or out of vehicles. If Bear lose vehicle or too far away, press and hold Y button to quickly recall vehicle. Very useful. Bear now ready to drive. Probably crash lot, says Bear. Very clumsy, but not worry. Pull. I want you to accelerate and. Okay. Let's try what I can do. Where are you? Uh-oh. I almost hit that person. Sorry. Ooh! Oops. I'm not the best driver. Come on, I want to get that one. Okay. Let's get this wonderful game started. As Log would say. Okay, I think we know where to go. Oh, there's even an arrow telling us. Oh, I think I just ran over someone. Okay. Wait. Ooh! Whoops. I just knocked someone down. Okay. I'll get used to this. I think we should go through here. And then we go up. Oh, I found my way around here. Come on, I want to get that. Thank you. Oh, no. No, I'm getting that. Ah, keep on crashing. Okay. Uh-oh. There's... No, I'm getting that musical note. Ooh! What do you want? Wait, why? Dude. Why am I up here? Is it this? What am I supposed to do? What do I do? No, I don't. Oh, okay, so I was supposed to do that. Okay. I'm figuring this out, guys. Free, oh, cool. Okay, cool. Oh wait, I should get in my vehicle first. Okay, now here comes my bad driving skills. No, I don't want to do that. Oh, whoa, I can attack. Okay. Let's go. Can't I just... Okay. Slow and steady. Ooh, yeah. Okay, that's just a warp. Did it! Wow! Yay! Okay, I got an achievement. Cool. We need 3 jiggies for that, 8 jiggies there. So it's showing us all the doors. Whoa, 31. I might have to do some like playing off camera to get all the jiggies I need, so you know. Okay, we opened the first door. Okay. Showing back the door. You'll need a number of jiggies. Jiggy bake to open, as you can see. Open. That's where our first jiggy is going to be located, and we will go through that portal door thing in the next episode. So I want to thank you all guys very much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys all later. Goodbye!